Sounds a little better now. Just let the guy get in it and see what's up. I know them VVT solenoids are bad. I mean, it was calling codes for it. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, here it goes. Ah, it died, dude. It died. The truck. Damn it. Frog eyes. Got the frog eyes. So what you doing, Hector? What's going on with the old Mercedes right here? Wires. Man, you got is the sound system hooked up right now? Turn it on. No?
She likes to wait when it's 12 o'clock.
Oh, when it's like when everybody's sleeping? Yeah. You know, we should be loud. We're fast and loud all the time. So like we should be, I don't know. I'm gonna sit on one of these lawnmowers over here. Pretend like he said, yeah. I'm gonna pretend like I'm mowing on this diesel right here. And I want you to turn the bass up and see if you can oh, do it. Do it with the trunk open. Hey, hold my beer. Where's my Modelo at? Hey, I need a Corona. I need some tequila. Some tamales. Some tamales. What's those sandwiches I like so much, dude? Tortas. I need a torta. Got the hook on them, yeah. So tortas, what's tortas mean? Like fat boy or something? Fat, big. No? It's just what it is. It is what it is. So what does Gonzo mean, man? Because I was calling this guy Gonzo, and he I don't think he liked it too much. Yeah. Hook it up. Ha-ha. Hair trick like a mother. With the trunk open. Now we just need a girl with some long hair. We can blow all over the place.